In this tutorial, we will show how user management works in Risky Project Enterprise. User management is where administrators add and manage users, add project roles and permissions, set up the organizational breakdown structures group, manage licensing and authentication methods, and set up notifications. To open the User Management console, on the File menu, click User Management. The console has 4 tabs: User Profile, Project Permissions Users and Org Structure, Logon History, and License and Security. The first step is to create the OBS, which can include organizational or security groups. Security groups are used to integrate Active Directory user groups and are not required otherwise. To create an OBS, type in the name for the group in a cell in the name column. Select either org unit or security group from the drop-down list. Add as many groups as required. You can create a hierarchy using the indent and outdent buttons. To add users, right-click on the existing user and on the shortcut, click New User. Complete the user profile. The username is a required field. Additional information can be added later as required. To add users to the group, select a group and then select the users you want to add to the group and click on the arrow. Project Permission allows you to create permissions to nodes in the portfolio hierarchy. To give permissions to a project or program, in the project name list, select the node, and in the right pane, select the groups to give them permissions. The Logon History is a record of all users' logs to the system. The License and Security tab presents current license information, including the type of license, number of license modules, and license expiry dates. You can also select your authentication method. By default, it is set to Risky Project Authentication. The Notification Manager allows you to set up automatic emails to your users based on events such as adding a new risk.